Bakar Hassan says 5 investors will be investing in Kilifi County under the Export Processing Zones program. Speaking while touring Fuhua EPZ in Mtwapa, the PS said that the investor is among the 5 who entered an MOU with the government early this year. The PS added that the program will see 10,000 youth get direct jobs.
It's good, eh?
Yeah.
President Dr. William Samuel Ruto, last year we went to China to look for investors, and we managed to get a lot of investor leads, and we have facilitated most of them, and one of them ndio iko hapa. This is one of the investors from China who we facilitated them, and we gazetted this place as an EPZ in last year. And you can see this January they have started production. This kind of investment is a $30 million investment in the apparel, textile and apparel. They are focusing on undergarment, and the market is US and Europe.
Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, that is Musalia Mudavadi, is in China.